Valentine's Day abs, day 4. All caught up, and we have 3 simple steps. Here we go. These are called tabletop abs. Making sure that the knees stay at a 90-degree angle. This creates a great body resistance. We're also trying to keep the arms off the floor and a gap between your heel and the floor, so that way you're having resistance on your abs the entire time. Stretch out the leg, try to keep a gap hold, and pull it back up to your 90-degree angle. You can do alternating legs, pulling them up to that tabletop. Think you'd want to sit a glass of water on top and not let it spill. Keep them going. You can do as many as you want. Try to aim for 15 each leg. And if you'd like, you can isolate each leg. Do 15 with your left, 15 with your right, and then you can go into the next tabletop ab move. Again, keep holding your arms up. That way you're trying to work those arm muscles as well. Next, tabletop abs together. Pull it back up to your tabletop flat, keeping that 90-degree angle in the knees. And when you're out, try to keep a gap hold. If you can't go all the way to the floor, find an angle. You can shoot your legs pretty much all the way straight up in the air, just at a smaller angle, and bring it right back into that tabletop. Not only will you feel your abs start to work, you'll also get your whole legs, your thighs, everything else working. Hold up your arms. You'll keep your arms in play, and that'll be a little bit of arm workout as well. Mainly and most importantly, bring it back up to that 90 degrees. Watch your legs. They want to fall in. Those heels want to drop down to the glutes, but hold them up. And keep them going. Again, do 15. And then go back to either alternating your legs or isolating one at a time. And then you get 15 each leg. Go back to double tabletop legs and try to keep a gap hold. If you get tired and you can't hold your heel off the floor, go ahead and rest it, pull it back up. Take it down, rest your leg, pull it back up. Your shoulders and arms get tired, go ahead and rest those on the floor. Pick them back up and hold them when you can. Same thing with your legs. If you're getting tired and your abs are getting tired, go ahead and rest your heels on the floor. Take a deep breath and pull them right back up to the tabletop 90-degree angle. Try to do 3 sets. So single legs, 15 each. Go into keeping them together, do a set of 15, keep that 90-degree angle, make sure the heels don't drop, and you've got a great ab workout. If you can do 3 sets, that would be wonderful. Start off with just 1, 15 each leg, 15 with them together, and work up to your 3 sets. And I will see you tomorrow for day 5.